Ready, baby? Forgot my sunglasses. Should I go get them? Huh? Yeah? Okay, I'll go get them quickly, okay? Good morning. It's an awesome, beautiful Thursday morning. It's 15 degrees out, which is really good for November 19th. Going to an awesome Lexus party this evening at the Lexus dealership, so I'm looking forward to that, and that's pretty much what's in store for my day today. I'm so happy about getting audio working on my home theater. That was the big highlight of yesterday for me. Really thrilled that that worked out. And I'm getting a laptop tomorrow. The laptop I ordered on Tuesday night. It's getting delivered on Friday. I ordered a OnePlus X today. Wonder when that's gonna come. Hope that gets here soon. And that is about what is going on. It's just before 11 a.m. and look what just arrived. This is the laptop I ordered yesterday. It was supposed to come tomorrow on Friday, but it's already here Thursday morning. My new MacBook Pro. Yes. First time I've ever had an Apple laptop. In fact, this is the first time I have ever bought myself a laptop, because the only two other times I had laptops were when I had jobs that they provided laptops. But now I am the proud owner of a MacBook Pro. Wow. Nice. All right, let's check out this laptop. Okay, here we go. Ooh, nice. Apple certified. So there's a box here. Before we look at the laptop, let's see what's in the box. So there's a charging cable. There's the power cable. And then this is the actual adapter, MagSafe 2 power adapter. So this plugs into this. What is this for? Okay, now I'm gonna take the actual laptop out. Woohoo! Let's take this foam out. And here is the actual laptop. Wow. Let's see how this thing looks. So that's the back. This is the front. Let's remove this packaging. Wow, this looks good. See, this is a refurbished laptop, so I wasn't sure if that means it's how used it is, if it's gonna have like a bunch of scratches on it and all, but maybe the casing is brand new, because God, it looks brand new. Can't tell at all. Okay. See the bottom of it? Yeah, this looks pretty flawless to me. There's no sign of use so far. Okay, so let's open it. Wow. Let's take this off. And there's a 15-inch screen. Wow, this is so exciting. My new laptop! This is crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly set it up.
To use English for the main language, press the return key.
This is a lot more exciting than I imagined. So far, I am very happy with this. Everything is perfect. Okay, so let's plug this guy in. Okay, so I finished setting up my laptop. Now I'm gonna have some lunch. Pretty happy with how this thing has turned out. And it came a day early. Oh, Apple. One of the nice things about having a beard is you don't have to shave as much, but then you have to trim it. So this is before I trim. All right, time to go pick up Naveen and Senna.
About that. Not only that, right? The quality is great, but you need to look good too. Don't you think so? Yeah.
Something we love to talk about with the RX 350, it has run on regular fuel for the past couple of years. It will still run on regular fuel. So that's something that's always given us a very nice competitive edge, and I'm sure all of you love that feature. We increased the horsepower an additional 25, bringing it from 270 to 295 horsepower. Hands full. Placing your arm next to it, the back will open up. You don't have to put anything down, and you don't have to lift up your foot off the ground.
This apple crumble dessert is fantastic.